In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art in less than 5 minutes. Let's create an icosphere. In edit mode, press Ctrl B as in Bravo and V as in Victor to bevel the vertices. Type 3 to face select. Let's press Shift G to select similar. I'll type I as in India to extrude inward. Alt select this edge to select an edge loop, select similar, and remove the selected faces. Let's apply an emission shader for the hovering faces. I'll use Eevee with bloom turned on. Let's solidify the mesh. I'll duplicate the mesh, scale it, and rotate it. We'll need another sphere to block the environment light. Let's set up the render scene, and adjust the camera's focal length. We could use cycles, but I'll go with Eevee. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.